What's your opinion on the snow, nigga?
You don't fuck around and get your ass swallowed up by the blizzard. Fucking around trying to go get some snacks. You pissing me the fuck off.
I'm trying to go out there and get something to drink at the store, man.
Bitch, we got a water fountain down the hall. You acting fucking stupid.
I just want to go enjoy myself in the blizzard, man.
No! You're doing too much.
Will you come out there and put Rest in Peace Frosty next to me whenever I die?
Walk your ass out of my room.
Alright, say bye, Sean.
Get your ass out. Fuck y'all.
Yeah, it wasn't really a throw. It was like you were like.
Sean didn't like what I had to say. But I'm trying to get a picture of the snow for everybody. And the fucking bathroom's locked. Why is the bathroom locked? Look at my girls. Ooh, look at my girls.
Yeah, let's just all blame Scott for everything.
I have tonsillitis.
Hey, the phone can zoom in. How about that?
Shut the fuck up.
You're an asshole.
Didn't I tell you get that shit out of my motherfucking room?
Alright, I'm getting out of your room. It's zoomed into your head. Now it's zoomed out. Damn, why you gotta give me that stare? Damn.
What's up, weak ass?
No school.
No school.
No school canceled.
No school.
Shit, baby.
No school, nigga.
Get your ass.
Hey, we put this on America's Funniest Home Videos, man.
It ain't no fucking home video, dumbass. Get your ass in the room. Shit.
Alright. Fuck you too.
Come on.
Right now.
Put that shit up.